Our recipe today is oat and banana cake. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of ground oatmeal, 1 cup of wholemeal flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, half a cup of chopped or crushed nuts, a cup of crushed bananas, 2 bars of butter, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and finally, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Preparation: beat the eggs for a few seconds. With the blender running, add the milk. Next, add the sugar. Now, add the oatmeal, mixing very well. Add the wholemeal flour. Now, add the butter and bananas. The mix gets a little heavier. The baking powder, the cinnamon, the salt, the baking soda. Beat for about 2 minutes to incorporate these ingredients. Empty the mix in a butter-greased and floured mold. Place the chopped nuts. Bake for 20 minutes at 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Let cool and serve. I hope you'll like this recipe. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.